What's up guys, this video we're going to show you a step-by-step guide of what I do on the first date with a real-life demonstration. Hello.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
I like this little outfit you got on.
Thank you.
What are you drinking, wine or tequila?
Wine.
Wine, okay, cool. I got you. Meet the husky.
Hi. How old is he?
He's 3.
Oh, nice.
Here, let's go here. I'll get you a glass of wine.
Oh, thank you.
So, how was your drive?
It was good.
So basically you're starting off with small talk, right? Just basic get to know you shit. Again, you can be like, how was the drive? You know, how was your day? Anything like that. The point is just to get the conversation going.
It wasn't that long actually.
Yeah, that's what she said. So you're Colombian? Now, I'm a big fan of sexual innuendos, right? That's a really good way to sexualize is using humor, right? Combining a little humor. And also note the body language again. Now, most girls probably wouldn't be sitting like that in the very beginning, but if a girl opens up with her body language, you want to open up as well, creating that strong intimate vibe, having that strong eye contact, all of that is going to kind of grease the wheels for you sexualizing later on.
I am Colombian, yes.
Cool. What part of Colombia are you from?
Oh gosh, I'm from everywhere in Colombia. I'm one of those people, like, so my mom is from Medellin. My dad was from Spain.
España.
I know, and I was born in kind of like the frontier with Venezuela. And I grew up in the north.
So you're like a little mutt.
I am. I am.
Are you familiar with that Colombian city where the dudes have sex with donkeys? They did a Vice documentary about.
It's actually from the north part of Colombia, and I've actually.
So this is basically free association, right? So whatever the girl says, what comes to your head, you say it, right? So that's basically what I do. I don't have like a script or like any lines I'm going to use, any kind of routines, right? Whatever comes to my head, I say. Again, I know that as long as I have that strong man to woman vibe, good eye contact, that's really what matters at the end of the day. It's more of not what you say, but how you say it.
I've seen it on when I was little.
You've seen the people having sex with the donkeys?
Yeah, like I lost my. Yeah, it was really hard because when you're little and you're driving, I lost my innocence from like a very young age because I was like, Mom, what are they doing? And imagine explaining
when a man loves a donkey.
Imagine explaining that to a child, like
sometimes
hey, they're fucking a donkey.
Their feelings escalate. And a man is forced to procreate. But I never understood that because there's so many hot girls in Colombia. Like, why would anyone pick a donkey over a pretty little Colombian chica?
Well, who knows? Who knows?
I don't know. What do the donkeys have on you? Like, I don't understand. So yeah, so as the conversation keeps going, you start off with a little bit of, touching, right? So the first move before I ever go for the kiss or anything like that, take your hand, put it on the girl's knee, right? That's a good way to feel out the vibe. Now, if the girl pulls back, that means it's too early. But if she doesn't move or she's receptive to it, then that's a green light that you can escalate further.
I guess a bigger ass.
You Colombian girls have some big booties though. I don't know about a bigger ass. Also notice the conversation is very playful. It's lighthearted, right? You don't want to have a very serious conversation like, oh, so let's talk about geopolitics, right? It's very lighthearted. It's playful. That's the kind of vibe you want to have.
Well, I don't know. Like, I guess they really like that big ass.
The big ass.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. Another big thing I'm doing is I'm building sexual tension, right? Sometimes, again, you don't have to be talking all the time. Sometimes you can just slow down your speech and just have that moment of kind of that strong eye contact, right? Again, we got good body language is open, hand in the knee, strong eye contact, close proximity, right? And there's also moments of silence. That's gonna build a lot of sexual tension. To keep that in mind next time I travel there.
I know, well, when you do your road trips, you'll see one. So where are you from again?
Russia.
Russia?
Yeah.
What part of Russia are you from?
I'm from Minsk.
That's not Russia.
It's Belarus. Close enough.
No. Is
I think so.
Is it really?
I think so.
No, you guys,
I think so, really.
You guys were Russia's bitch.
Wow.
I mean, even worse, because you were also
bitch.
Poland's bitch. And being the bitch of the bitch, it's like kind of like...
You're a fucking sassy one. So this is a good example. We want to get a shit test in there, right? When the girl's testing you. Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to, 1, get reactive and be like, what are you talking about? We were never their bitch. Or 2, get overly logical, start giving her a history lesson. Or 3, get kind of weird and distant about it. What you want to do is just brush it off, like you're just playful with it, right? So I'm doing you're a fucking sassy one, aren't you?
Am I lying though?
You're a little sassy one. What are we
Am I lying?
Russia's bitch, Poland's bitch.
I know, Poland's, it's like being the bitch of the bitch in jail.
So now the physical touching is escalating, right? We went from the hand on the knee to the neck and the shoulder and rubbing the hair. Now it's getting a lot more sexual. But those are all the things I would do before going for the kiss. What you're never gonna see me do is just like having conversation, just going for the makeout, right? There's a bunch of steps that happen beforehand. You're building sexual tension, you're kind of feeling out the vibe, you're touching her knee, touching her hair, touching her neck, right? Only after that point, once you kind of have that close proximity and once you've established all those things before that, then you're going for the makeout.
It's like the bottom of the bottom.
So that's the girl who comes from the city of donkey sex.
I know, well, what can I say?
You're a fucking sassy one, look at you.
So like Poland is the guy and you guys are the donkey.
Poland is the what? Poland is the what? What? Cut. And there you have it. That's basically it. So yeah, after that point, I'm sure you guys can figure out what to do. But then you start, kissing down the girl's body, taking her clothes off. You bring her to the bedroom, and if she's consenting, you have some good kinky sex. All right. Hopefully, you guys found this whole demonstration valuable. Show us some love by smashing that like button, hitting subscribe, clicking the bell for notification. Let us know in the comments what you think about Colombian donkey sex. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.